We've been covering the pros and cons for some of the more extreme beauty trends today, but what about the possible health risks of some of the more common beauty treatments?
Well, and I want to talk about chemical peeling. And yes, it's exactly as the words describe. You're putting acid on people's face. And acid, because of a different acidity, is going to have, I mean, you can call it a pretty caustic effect on the skin. I'm going to give you the 411 here on chemical peeling. I have my trusty skin here. So
having a party here or something?
Well, you may, because I'm going to, as I scrape this off, you can feel free.
Okay, I need some
as I do
chips
my
or something.
peeling. But so, first of all, the type of peels that people would do at home: fruity acid peels, salicylic acid, alpha hydroxy acid kind of peels. All you're removing is this outer keratin layer. So a superficial peel, I'm going to just remove the cheese.
But even with those, you have to be careful because a lot of people will overuse those glycolic and salicylic, and they can still do damage. Trust me, I've done it.
So then you get into what I would call medium strength peels. You're getting more deeper into the purple layer here, your epidermal layer. Why do you want to do that? You're going to form new collagen and elastin. Okay. All right, so let's remove some of the tomatoes here.
Can those still be done at home, or is this
Well,
going to be in the office?
I hear about people doing this with trichloroacetic acid. I've seen people get burnt, okay? And finally, the deep peels, phenol. It's a very strong acid. The benefit is it's penetrating into the deeper dermis. So we're getting into our sour cream layer right here. You know, chemical peels are a great way to go, but in general, I would say really stick to mild forms, really understand what the instructions are saying. Only do it as the instructions say. Don't say, oh, I'm going to do a little more because I think it's going to be better for me, because that'll get you into trouble.
Now, another thing that people do, women and men, are hair dyes. And anywhere from highlights to changing your complete color to trying to cover up that gray. And hair dyes can have over 5,000 different chemicals in it, some of which can be carcinogenic or cancer-causing in animals. So you have to be very careful about these things. Some have been shown to, cause anywhere from bladder cancer to blood cancers and different things like that. Mostly the over-the-counter ones are going to be, very light strength, but especially you can damage your hair. It can cause hair loss. It can cause allergic reactions, especially if you combine hair dyes with, straighteners like relaxers or things like that. So you have to be very, very careful with these. And then pregnant women, we usually say you can use hair dyes after the second trimester when most of, the fetus has been formed. But you have to be in a room that's very well ventilated, and you want to use the more natural products as you can and leave it on your scalp or away from your scalp as much as possible, because again, these things do get absorbed into your body through your scalp.
So even non-extreme beauty trends can cause harm.